Hi, in this video I will tell you what Titan base is used for. It is the base coat for Festfloor Titan Microcement. Titan base is used to reinforce the substrate and help reduce the risk of cracking. We use it on cement screeds, anhydrite screeds, self-leveling floors, OSB boards, substrates with underfloor heating systems, and in areas that require additional structural reinforcement. This product is two-component and designed as part of the full Titan system. It consists of the Titan base primer compound and the Titan hardener. These components need to be mixed together in a ratio of 100:10. Mix exactly 100 parts of component A and approximately 10 parts of component B. So, when you are working on floor surfaces, the product can be further diluted by adding up to 5% water to effectively improve the material's flowability. We apply the base in 2 layers onto a previously primed substrate. Into the first layer, we carefully embed a fiberglass mesh and wait for 6 to 24 hours before sanding it down. We sand it using a grinder with a diamond pad of grit 50 and then vacuum it thoroughly. Next, we apply the second layer of the base material. After another 6 to 24 hours, we sand this layer in the exact same way as the first one and vacuum it once more. After these steps, the surface is ready for the application of Festfloor Titan Microcement. Do you have any questions? Leave a comment, and if you want more practical tips, subscribe to our channel. That way, you definitely won't miss any of our new videos.